In this video, I want to show you a quick tip using this Canon Vixia and the Comica shotgun mic or any other mic and an audio issue. So look here on the preview right here. As you can see, it's being pegged into the right. And if you go into the settings and you try and scroll up, there's nothing there and there's no way to fix this. So if this happens to you, you have a wrong setting in here that is preventing you from adjusting the volume. And if you continue to record it like this, it will absolutely blow out the audio and completely ruin your video. And so this happened to me the other day, and I'm like, where's the volume? Because I adjust the volume all the time. Well, here's how you have to do it. So if you look up here in the upper left, you're going to see that it's in auto mode, and that is the problem. So what you want to do is go up and press this button, and then take this to something like a scene, like we'll do a scene, we'll do portrait, or something like that, and then just say back out. All right, now you see the volume is, now as I'm talking, the volume is already lower. Why? Well, because I've already set it low. Now I'm behind the camera and it's gonna be a little bit quieter, but now you can press this button right here, and you can scroll down, and there is the mic level. And now you can raise it up and down, and it's fixed. And the whole issue is that in auto mode, it does not work well with a mic like this because these are so sensitive that it just blows out the audio and it makes it too loud, and the Canon cannot compensate for it. And so that's how you correct it.